Okay, I just want to take a few minutes and explain a little bit about the View Filter Manager. So on the View Filter Manager, obviously we can turn layers and other information on and off. It controls the visibility of what we're seeing here. Um, a lot of times you're going to see that you want to see some warning flags, or maybe even looking at the raw data when you're dealing with survey information. But since we're doing data prep, I don't really need to see these categories, so I want to turn them off. Now on the top of the bar, there's some commands where I can create a view filter. Right now, my current view filter is my view filter. That's basically what you're currently working in, and you can create new ones. Okay, and you can see if it's on all, then that view filter layer is locked. So there are certain things that you can and can't do in a locked mode. All right, now the only way that you can turn objects on and off is by going to my filter. So if you're ever stuck and things won't turn on and off, just take a look at that. Now, I don't need these flags or raw data or any of this other information. I just want to see my layers. And if I go to the advanced view filter settings, you can see under this view filter is that it shows objects that are visible and selectable. So you can come in here and actually turn off, even in your layers, objects that are visible, but you don't want them to be selected. So when you try to window select them or something, you don't pick up those layers as well. But if you right click on a category, right, select a category, right click on it, you can hide that category. So same thing here is I'm left clicking, then right clicking, and then hiding that category. And I'll come down here and left click, right click, and hide that category. So now when I apply it, you'll see that those are visible in my View Filter Manager. So all I have are the layers and my layer group here called stakeout. All right. So just a couple things to point on the View Filter Manager. You'll see us use that quite a bit, going to it to turn objects on and off.